Okay, from the last video, I was telling you on the WP options while our subdomain was creating. Okay, you can see mj.skyworldsgroup.com has been created. Now, okay, let's go back to this since it's been created. So now, this, like I told you, is your file manager. Every website file designed on your website is going to be stored here. So if we go back home, you will click on public underscore HTML. You will see MJ is taken. You can see MJ is taken here. So this MJ is taken here is this is the folder that was created, the website folder that was created. Now, most people would assume as it's I've created a subdomain. If I put it up here, my website is supposed to come up, and that it will come up, but it's going to show you index of slash, meaning there is nothing on the site. So if you come here and click on this folder here, you will see the same. Okay, it's a hidden folder, but you see the index file here. That is actually what is bringing up this text. So what we're going to do, if you have any questions, I'm trying to be as slow as possible. Like I said, drop your questions down. I'm going to answer each and every one of your questions. So I'm just trying to explain the subdomain so we don't get confused. This is the subdomain mj.skyworldsgroup.com. This is the folder that was created while we were trying to get the subdomain. So once you click on this folder, it takes you to an empty file. Now we'll go back to our home, the control panel home, and we'll scroll down. We'll talk about email accounts and how to create a webmail, but for the sake of time, like I said, website design is very broad. It depends on how you manage it. So this Softaculous app installer is mostly on every Cpanel. You can see WordPress is number one. Reason because most developers find WordPress easy and comfortable to use. Joomla was leading far back at 2013, 2014. We had PrestaShop. We had BB Press. I think it's somewhere here. Okay, yeah, my BB. We had BB Press. We had Dolphin. We had a lot. There's okay. Well, back to what we are using. We need to design our MJ staking .skyworld groups on WordPress. So this process we're going into now. Okay, I'll have to pause this video now so we could explain better on this.